Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting webinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you share your screen in a GoTo Meeting webinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to share your screen in GoTo Meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that sometimes you have to share your screen to describe a certain process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a GoTo webinar that I have running. Now, in order to share your screen, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is down here on the bottom. You're going to click on Share. Okay, once you click there, it's going to open up this menu. So first you want to choose from these menu options here at the top. Do you want to share your entire screen? That's going to be all of the windows. You can also click right here and choose a specific window, and you can even choose a specific tab if you're using Chrome. For me, I'm going to go ahead and share my entire screen. Once you've chosen from the menu up here, go ahead and choose the screen. All right, once you've done that, go ahead and click on Share. Okay, now a quick second later, you can see the page refreshes. Now you can see my screen is being shared up here on the top right. For me personally, I would prefer to share a tab just because that's going to limit the opportunity of something else popping up on my desktop that I don't want the participants to see. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to share your screen in a GoTo Meeting webinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.